Here we are at Prestwick Airport. It's the Scottish International Airshow. It's our 5th year. We've got the Typhoons that are here, the Red Arrows coming. The Swiss Air Force has sent a couple of F-18 fighter jets, and one of them is doing a display, and it'll be very, very loud. We also have the Swiss Classic flight, and this is a civilian flight display of passenger transport aircraft from the 30s, 40s and 50s. We've got the Catalina, that's back with us, and we have the Dragonfly, the de Havilland Dragonfly with us again, which is a beautiful civilian transport aircraft from the 1930s, kept in pristine condition. So we have some excellent aircraft here. The thing that the Scottish International Airshow is all about is inspiring our youngsters. We put on these air shows and it makes young people think about a career in aviation. The aviation industry needs engineers, it needs air traffic controllers, it needs pilots. So this industry has got a lot of jobs there, highly skilled jobs, and it's very, very important to the Ayrshire economy. Air shows inspire.